हेलो एवरीवन। आज का टॉपिक है व्हाट इज़ वाइट फंगस एंड व्हाई इट हैज़ बिकम अ कॉज ऑफ कंसर्न फॉर इंडिया. सो बेसिकली दिस हैज़ बीन इन न्यूज़ सिंस फ्यू डेज. सो वाइट फंगस के इन्फेक्शन अभी 4 cases have been reported from Patna, Bihar. One of the infected patient is a doctor from Patna. He's a very renowned doctor from Patna. Some cases have been reported from Uttar Pradesh also. So basically इस चीज़ के बारे में न्यूज़ में बहुत सारी बातें की जा रही हैं दैट इट इज़ मोर डेंजरस, दैट इट इज़ मोर डेडली देन ब्लैक फंगस एंड द केसेस आर ऑन राइज. So what is white fungus infection? White fungus is caused by a particular type of yeast called Candida, and hence it is also known as candidiasis. More than 20 types of Candida can cause infection, but most common among them is Candida albicans. Is it something new kind of infection? The answer is no. Candida yeast are generally present in healthy humans. In fact, 19% of healthy women have this yeast in their vagina, and 6% of babies less than a month old have this kind of yeast in their mouth. In fact, 20% of cancer patient and AIDS patient are found to be suffering from this kind of yeast infection. Okay, so basically the immunocompromised patients like those of AIDS and cancer and diabetic patients, they have a very high chance of attracting these kind of yeast. So in general, as I have said, these kind of yeast are present in the environment. This fungal infection is present in the environment, and generally if you may have noticed that some people have there is discoloration of the skin or the nails or the tongue, and so this is very common. Okay, and sometimes it happens in the genital areas also. Severe itching, burning, soreness, irritation and whitish discharge has been seen. In males, pain is experienced during passage of urine. Sometimes the skin is also broken and itching and irritation takes place. In severe cases, other gastrointestinal problems like anal itching, bloating, diarrhea, intestinal cramps, vomiting and gastric ulcers take place. Although we do not have to confuse this thing with the नॉर्मल गैस्ट्रिक प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके, अल्सर जिनको होता है उनको भी यही सारे सिम्टम होते हैं. सो ये सारी चीज़ें इससे कंफ्यूज करने जैसी नहीं होती हैं. बट वॉट हैज़ हैपेंड इन द फ्यू डेज वाई इट हैज़ बिकम अ कॉज ऑफ कंसर्न इज़ द फैक्ट दैट इट इज़ लिंक्ड विद COVID-19. ओके, एंड नाउ it is spreading to other parts of our body like brain, lungs and our intestinal system. So basically अब ये बाकी सारे organs में फैल रहा है. That has become a cause of concern. And why it is on the rise because of COVID-19? Let me explain. सबसे पहले antibiotics का usage. You all know that कि आजकल azithromycin हो गया या doxycycline हो गया, it is in circulation. Everybody is taking it as a precautionary measure or something. Okay, so what happens? These antibiotics kill bacteria which are natural competitors of these fungus. Okay, so we are killing their natural competitors, and hence they have got an extra favorable condition, okay, to grow and to multiply. Second, the use of steroids. Steroids are given to COVID patients in mild to severe condition, and what it does, it reduces the inflammation of the lungs. Okay, so in a way it weakens the immune system, and since our immune system is weakened, hence these fungus are they have got that added advantage to proliferate. Then if COVID-19 is accompanied with severe comorbidities like HIV, cancer or diabetes, these kind of patients जो हैं उनके लिए और मुश्किल हो गई है. उनके लिए already I have told you that 20% of HIV and cancer patients they have a tendency to get this kind of fungal infection, and when it is accompanied with COVID-19, it becomes a hazard. Next is stress. Okay, because of COVID-19 we all are feeling like we are going through some kind of stress and depression, and that is it is fueling this condition. Okay, so basically the medicines, the comorbidities and this stress, Three things, this is worsening the situation. So next question arises, is it more deadlier than black fungus? So actually when this thing started, many newspaper mentioned that it is more deadlier than black fungus and it is more infectious. Although we cannot say about the infection rate, but various doctors have discarded this view and they have said that no, this is not deadlier than black fungus, because black fungus is something which is rare. Okay, our body doesn't know about it. It is not that prevalent in the environment. But white fungus is more, we are more aware, our body is more aware of that particular type of fungus. So it is not deadly, although when combined with all these effects and with the COVID-19 problems, it becomes a cause of concern. But if the particular precautions are taken and proper medications is started, then this can be cured. Okay, so what is happening actually, after recovering from COVID, after testing negative, some patients, they are experiencing breathlessness, and what is happening, they are confusing this thing with normal COVID-19 symptoms. So it is recommended that if even if you have tested negative and you think that something is not going good with your body, you are feeling breathlessness or so at that point of time, it is very recommended that you go through a high resolution CT scan, X-ray chest or X-ray of your chest, and if it is found that there are clumps or there are patches of that particular fungus or the virus, you should go to the hospital, to the doctor, and take antifungal medications. Okay, सो गवर्नमेंट बहुत सारी दवाइयाँ अभी डिस्पर्स कर रही है सारे स्टेट्स को, ताकि प्रॉपर एंटी फंगल ट्रीटमेंट हो सके. इसके अलावा हमें ध्यान देना है कि एंटीबायोटिक्स और स्टेरॉइड्स का एक रेगुलेटेड यूज़ करें. ये नहीं है कि बस हम प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर में भी खूब सारे स्टेरॉइड्स या एंटीबायोटिक्स लेना शुरू कर दें. एंड थर्ड थिंग इज सैनिटाइजेशन, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज दीज फंगस दे स्टार्ट, ये कहाँ से जाते हैं, हमारे माउथ से या किसी कट लग गया उससे जाते हैं. तो वी हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल वेन एवर वी आर coming in contact with a COVID-19 patient, or we are a COVID-19 patient, then we have to take utmost care of this thing, that everything around us is sanitized. Okay, and एक्चुअली ये भी पाया जा रहा है कि जो ऑक्सीजन कंसनट्रेटर्स यूज़ हो रहे हैं, सॉरी ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर्स जो यूज़ हो रहे हैं, तो उसमें एक ह्यूमिडिफायर यूज़ होता है, उसमें नॉर्मल टैप वाटर यूज़ करते हैं. समटाइम्स वो जो है उस पर मूल्ड लगा रहता है, समझ रहे हो आप, कि वहाँ पे मॉइस्चर में ये सारे ईस्ट जो होते हैं वो प्रॉपर ग्रो करते हैं. आपने देखा होगा कि ब्रेड में कैसे मूल्स आ जाते हैं, तो जहाँ पे मॉइस्चर होता है वहाँ पे ज़्यादा ग्रो करते हैं. तो इन ह्यूमिडिफायर्स में पाया गया है, काफ़ी ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर के ह्यूमिडिफायर्स में पाया गया कि वहाँ पे ये मूल्स ग्रो किए हुए थे. तो वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट थिंग ऑल्सो, कि हम ऐसा कुछ भी यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं जहाँ पे ये प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि ये ग्रो करें. ओके, सो वी हैव टू सैनिटाइज एवरी थिंग वॉट एवर वी आर यूजिंग, एंड वी हैव टू मेंटेन अ प्रॉपर हाइजीन. ओके, so that's all for this video. Thank you.